New in Stella Architect 3.7.2 is the ability to label connectors and place polarity in even yet more positions. So if we take a look at the following CLD, we could select a connector, and in the panel now you'll see that you have this group of settings called label. You can choose where to place the label, and I'm going to choose in the center of the arc, and then you can actually put words directly on the connector to help people understand what this relationship represents. In this case, this represents the impact of population on births. When I do that now, you'll see that I get a label that appears on the center of the arc. If I want it to appear above the arc, I can choose outside, or below the arc, inside. But in this case, I'm going to choose outside. And when I adjust the shape of this arc, the label will follow along with it. I had also mentioned that we had added new polarity placement options. So in the case when you have a busy variable, for instance population, some users may find it confusing that the polarity symbol is placed very close in with some of the other connector takeoff points. So to that end, we've added the ability to move the polarity symbol to the middle of the arc. By moving it to the middle of the arc, you can now see that the polarity stays well outside of the junction that exists around this population variable.